Yeah. Go on, mute ya, go on. Ease yourself, just keep it calm, mute ya, star. Only pop pressure in my corner. One time it hard to carry on. You no need no girl for turn to, no man for talk to. Feelings hurt, pan the journey so far. Show me know me, we go do things and nobody argue. Me like go the loose and start hold me harder.
Walk One Success family, hope everyone doing alright. If you're new to the channel, welcome and make sure to subscribe to get all the videos like this video so we can continue to drop more contents like this, contents that you enjoy listening. Alright, so today we want to talk about Spice, and Spice finally speaks out. Spice speaks out about her traumatic experience in the yard with her surgery, you see me, and she a big up the doctor them in DR for them phenomenal job of saving her life and putting them all in for make sure so you should come out strong. And she herself did have to stay strong in her dilemma and just turn to God and just put everything in God's hand, you see me. So we're gonna show the video right now of Spice talking about her traumatic experience.
But they could have given up on me because, like I said, I died in DR. But I thank them that they didn't, that they fought through what I was going through, that they went inside, that they stitched the hernia, that they repaired me, that they did what they did. So I'm so grateful. When I came out of the hospital, I went back into the hospital again. Because obviously, I guess because they work on my stomach, I started to have all kind of side effects and stuff. So I had another.
Well, guys, they're about to come get me for the surgery again. As you know, I've been having health issues. And this is my fourth surgery. Fourth surgery in 3 months. I don't know what to say, how I feel. It's like my mind blank. I don't know if I think, if me can't bother, if me, I don't know. All I know is that I just put my trust in a God and I just leave it all up to Him. That's all I know. But pray for me, guys.
All right, so many little things in life that I normally take for granted. There's so many little things that used to bother me. There's so many little things that I used to argue about. And in my second life, I have changed so much. I've become more patient. I've become more grateful. Little things don't worry me again. And so I just want to encourage you guys out there and just to remind you that the moment you open your eyes is a blessing. Because just to be awake is a blessing. So just type and give God the glory, you know. Just be thankful to be here, thankful to be alive.
Alright, so that was the video. And as me say, and as we all know, and as we already been doing, is sending love, you see me, to Spice right now for pull through. For make sure say, yo, she come back to her family, come back to her fans, and come back to dancehall, you see me? Come back to the place where she belong, which is with her family members, with her son, with her daughter, you see me? And make sure say, yo, the whole family good. There is no way we would like to hear say anything like this, really go like this with Spice, and Spice just, you know, Ray like that. No, we wouldn't want it. You see me? Not right now. We want the best for Spice. So as me say, big up Spice, and we're glad to Spice the back in the place and come back and I dash out again and I do the right thing. You see me? So big up Spice. If you make it to the end of this video, thanks for the likes, thanks for the subscribe, thanks for the views, thanks for the comments. As always, I'm out.
But they could have given up on me because, like I said, I died in DR.